good time. This is more for the, as a community, we want to pay forward or to ask help as well. So at this time, anybody, if you guys have a project that you wanted to talk about and wanted to recruit any collaborators, or if you're like looking for a job, or if you're actually looking to hire, just take a quick, let's say 15-30 seconds, who you are and what you're looking for. Yeah, so any volunteers? Going once?
Hello, we are in stealth mode building a niche. My name is Shuai, the nerd guy who asked the nerd question. Shuai, S-H-U-A-I. Thank you for the clapping. Okay, any other questions? Yeah, Shuai, S-H-U-A-I. We are building in stealth mode a vertical AI medical scribe. Yeah, not an AI scribe, but we have our niches. We know we have paying customers. We've been working with them for 3 months now. We know our advantages. We also know our competition well. So we're looking for developers. We're not getting funding yet. We're not sure about if I should take them. But if you're working on medical or knows anyone working in the medical, like sports injury, orthopedics, or PT, come talk to me. Or if you have any experience or just want to connect, talk to me. I used to work in AWS for like almost a decade. If you have tech questions, I'm very nerdy, so I'm happy to chat for free, whatever. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. That was awesome. All right, anybody else? How nice and free publicity? Going once? Going twice? Okay, in that case, thank you everyone for coming. This is a lovely day, so I really appreciate you guys coming and spending time with us. I think we're going to have a space until 8 o'clock, so now we can break and then you can use either this room or outside. And if you wanted to ask the other experts or you want 30 questions, please go ahead. But thank you, and have a good day.